some of the other multimeters besides the Flukes. 100 volts out of the power supply. 06. Those don't show. 03. That ain't too bad at the higher voltages. 07, which is 0.01 off of the Fluke 189. 100, 01. And Ning AN 8008. Now I bought this one specifically because it's got a signal generator I wanted to play with, and it's been fun. I've had fun with that. The Bryman Dave's EEV blog version, the blue one, I like it because I don't like the red. BM786, the Zoe ZT703S. I mean, realistically, I'm not going to use that as a multimeter because I've got 50 multimeters, but it ain't bad. Alright, well, we'll see what ain't bad. Alright, 0. Let's go to about 18 millivolts. Gotta wait for everything to die down. It's gonna jump all over. 18. Yeah, everything's all over. That's the power supply. That ain't necessarily the meters, but about 3 volts it starts acting better. 301, 302. Oh, everything. It's not bad. It ain't bad. Now, for a base oscilloscope, I can't recommend this one enough, man. It's pretty. And this one here, I got this from Dave's site. I think it was $145, something like that. I got it 6 months ago, something like that. I can't recommend this one enough. And if you want to see continuity testing, this one's insane. This is the fastest meter I've ever seen for continuity testing, ever. A little Anning AN 8008. It's keeping kind of fairly close with the rest. It's doing alright. Not too bad. Let's see. Let's go to 32 volts. Up. 32 volts. Damn. 32. 3. That's alright. No. Yeah, a little up. Wait a minute. Sometimes that does change things. Oh, look. So, alright, y'all. Some of the non-fluke meters. Y'all have a good one.